Welcome to this cartoon penguin sketch, round body, playful tufts, and a splash of color. Settle in and trace each stroke with me. We will ink the full outline first, then layer black, white, aqua, and orange fills. Keep your hand relaxed and let curves stay smooth. Start at the crown and sweep down the bird's right side in one confident arc. Continue the outline through the flank, easing around the hip curve. Bring the stroke back up along the inner curve to finish this long segment. Trace the slender neck bridge that links the head to the torso. Draw the opposite shoulder curve so the silhouette stays balanced. Add a short tuck where the outline pinches inward near the waist. Lengthen the outer edge toward the foot with an even, steady tempo. Round the base so the belly meets the ground in a soft cushion. Close the big loop along the left side, hugging the belly bulge. Seal the bottom with the foot platform and tie back toward the body core. Sketch the perky feather tuft on the right side of the head. Mirror that energy with the matching tuft on the left. Outline the right eye as a plump oval resting on the face. Shape the left eye oval, keeping spacing even with its partner. Touch a single anchor point where paths meet, lift the pen almost immediately. Carve the darker iris form inside the right eye with one closed loop. Block the left iris using the same weight so both eyes match. Slice a bright wedge along the right eye for a lively highlight. Drop a matching glint into the left eye so they twinkle together. Form the upper beak from brow to tip with a smooth wedge. Cut the lower mandible so the mouth reads open and friendly. Reinforce the beak seam where upper and lower lips meet. Tap a tiny vertical mark at the beak corner for extra structure. Begin the big belly patch along the right chest and swing outward wide. Complete the patch boundary across the midsection on the viewer's left. Echo the belly edge with this inner accent line for a little depth. Swing the right flipper outward from shoulder to tip in one gesture. Scoop a scalloped inner edge so the flipper feels layered. Carry that inner curve down toward the wrist and tuck it neatly closed. Trace the flipper's front ridge where sunlight would catch first. Close the remaining feather folds so the wing reads thick and plush. Add a small belly sparkle sitting between the white patch and the feet. Block the left webbed foot with 3 rounded toe lobes. Wrap the toes around to the heel and anchor them flat on the ground. Refine the webbing between the middle toes on that foot. Deepen the sole line so the foot feels planted and weighty. Outline the right foot's front pad with a firm, forward toe curve. Dot the tiny nook at the claw tip to finish the silhouette cleanly. Flood the main body coat with solid black, hugging every outline edge. Wash crisp white across the right sclera so the eye stays bright. Mirror that white fill inside the left eye for perfect symmetry. Brush vivid aqua into the scarf ribbon curling on the bird's right. Feather a lighter cyan into the neighboring fold of the same accessory. Lay a muted teal shadow where the scarf overlaps itself. Pack black into the right iris so it pops against the surrounding white. Fill the left iris with the same deep tone for matching expression. Stripe a bright aqua highlight along the upper beak trim. Blend a second cyan pass into the beak edge for icy sparkle. Lay warm orange across the main upper beak mass. Shade the lower beak with a richer orange to separate the planes. Add a caramel rim where the beak meets the face feathers. Coat the large belly panel in flat white for maximum contrast. Whisper cool gray along the belly crease to suggest soft volume. Base the left foot in vivid orange, staying inside the webbing lines. Darken each toe pad on the left foot so the lobes read separately. Slide pale gray beneath the arch as a gentle ground shadow. Color the right foot to match the left for balanced warmth. Intensify the toe tips on the right side with a deeper orange. Feather another warm layer across the central toe cluster. Edge the heel with a burnt orange rim for a grounded finish. Polish the hottest highlights on beak and toes with a fiery orange pop.